Hello, in this video I am going to show an overview of the latest version of pearOS Monterey and some of the applications pre-installed. pearOS Monterey is a Linux distribution based on Ubuntu Linux 20.04 LTS and K.D.E Plasma 5.12. Bundled with a variety of free and open source applications that tries to mimic the look and feel of macOS. pearOS Monterey uses systemd as is in its software and supports BTRFS, X3, X4, JFS, RiserFS and XFS file systems. For package management, pearOS Monterey uses apt. Here you can see the commands to install software from the command line using the apt package manager. For self-contained applications, pearOS Monterey uses snap. pearOS Monterey includes version 5.10.0 of the Linux kernel. Some of the default applications of this release of pearOS Monterey are Firefox, GUI, Kate and VLC. Please feel free to tell me what you think of the latest release of pearOS Monterey in the comments section. Thank you for watching the video and please help the channel by sharing, leaving a like and subscribing.